My hair ain't looking nothing like this. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, I am going to be trying out a bomb twister look from Mini Marley herself. I've watched Mini Marley since she just started until she blew up to where she is right now. Her hair texture reminds me a lot about mine. To me it looks similar, it looks kind of like the same, and she lives in the same humidity as I am. I believe she still lives in Miami. I'm not sure, I think she does, but the humidity over here is ridiculous, and if she finds a product that can keep her hair from frizzing, I think I'm gonna try it out as well. Mini Marley did say though in her video, her name is Brianna actually, I'm gonna call her Brianna, she doesn't have much frizz as other people do, but my hair texture, I have so much frizz, is ridiculous. So if I try a new hairstyle that causes less frizz, I'm down for the cause. So today I'm going to be trying out the method that she did. So as you guys can clearly see, I have my hair in four just like she did. I have a boogie to the top and to the bottom. I don't know what you guys call it. I think you guys call it a hair tie, but yeah, I have one to the top and to the bottom just like she did. I washed my hair. My hair is freshly washed. She used the Mielle twisting souffle, and if you guys want to try this product right now, it's only $9.98 or $89 at Walmart for both this and a leave-in conditioner and a comb. So guys, that is a bomb deal because this itself costs like around $14 or so. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up the video and watch it while I do it, because some steps I want to make sure I have everything down packed. We have to listen to a commercial first. She gotta get paid, okay? She got to get paid. Okay, so I'm gonna skip through to where she started the process.
Love the Mielle organic pomegranate. I need twisting souffle, and my hair is so moisturized. As you can see, I'm feeling it right now.
My hair is still kind of sort of wet. I did it earlier today. I sat on a dryer. She left hers for about a day. I don't have that type of time. I got work tomorrow, so we're gonna do something slightly different from hers. So it's slightly damp still, not too wet, and like she said, my hair is really soft still and it feels really moisturized. So let's keep watching. Okay, pause. So she used a Sheer Moisture mousse. I don't have a Sheer Moisture mousse, so I'll be using the Main Choice mousse that I have here. I'm not gonna go out and buy anything else, so it's a mousse, so hopefully it does the same thing. I don't know how much pump she did, so I'm just gonna use what is too much. Oops. Just apply that like she said, and she's gonna do a lot to the ends. So and then the mousse, I don't know how much mousse she's using. I'm just gonna squeeze some mousse into the cover of this and just use my fingertips to just grab up some, because I don't want it too wet, but she said she just wants to just wet it just a little bit so we could have some type of definition. Okay, so I don't know if our twist kind of look the same or not.
Oh hell no!
But this is what my twist will look like once it's finished. Alright, so I think I'm going to redo a few of them and then come back on camera tomorrow. Okay, so I am back. New makeup, as you guys can tell. Is it better? I don't know. Not the makeup artist. My hair tend to do whatever it wants at night. I put a head tie right here to stretch it out even more. And then I also pin back this as well because I knew if I just lay it on my, you see how it moves? I don't really understand. So you think, look at this. What is
that in the morning for the takedown? So I went ahead and used a cream of nature oil on my hands.
Oh, should use the oil.
Really just helped me get rid of any frizz. I didn't want to have to worry about that.
Okay, so I'm gonna use argan oil, my favorite oil that I always use. I'm also going to use some Garnier Chic and Sleek and Shine as an anti-frizz because my hair frizz just so much. I just need that extra oomph. Put it at the top and just start it from the back.
Slip on your fingers so it makes it just a little
Just
bit
pull.
easier. And it made sure
Right,
not
see,
to
so she
speed
pulled.
up this first twist because I wanted to show you guys
And
exactly
then
how
she
much
is
time I
everything.
spend on the takedown.
Bam.
And I do this for every single twist. I think it's really, really important to spend a good chunk of time on the takedown because that's just as important as installing the twist. You don't want to spend so much time on the first half and then rush to the takedown and then your hair is super frizzy and you feel like you had a bad twist out. You definitely need to take your time with this process. I really do. Real section, so sit back and enjoy.
See, I have so much frizz. Like, what the heck? Oh, guys, like, look at this. The hair was looking bomb. My hair, I mean, the definition is there, but I'm seeing frizz and I ain't too pleased. Alright, let's keep going because I got work to go to. I ain't trying to play no games. Look. What's that? Okay, that's enough rattling for this section. Because I feel like I'm causing more frizz in this section than... I don't understand my hair, man. My hair be tripping. I guess if your hair starting to look frizzy in certain sections, don't even try to unravel it because, look, the heck is that, man? So just pull it where it naturally wants to unfold. Alright, this side, I don't know really and truly what's going on this side because what's that? There's no type of definition. Like, what was going on? I said Mini Marley hair is like the definition of how every natural one their hair to be. No frizz. Unless you personally add it in there. But my hair, I don't know. My hair just loves the frizz. Yo, my hair look bomb. It feels good. It looks like it has a shape to it. Like normally my hair doesn't look like it has a shape to it. It just looks dull and like natural hair without any type of shape, balance, unification. There's a unification to it. But now my hair is looking like it has some type of oops. So I'm gonna like lay the edges a bit off camera and then come back and show you guys. I don't even need to touch my edges actually. I feel like I think I'm gonna do dry twist outs and braid outs from now on because my hair just looks much better. Alright, so this is the final look, guys. It looks bomb. My hair feels soft, it feels moisturized. My hair doesn't look as defined as hers does because I got a lot of frizz going on, but besides that, everything to me came out really good. I feel like my hair has some type of shape, some type of definition, a lot of bounce to it, so it looks good, it feels good, and you know, I'll be happy with this. And then hopefully I will get on her level where, you know, my hair just ain't got no frizz the first day, and we'll be good. We'll be all good. We'll be all good. So let me hit you guys with a quick montage before I leave. And if you guys did like this video, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And I shall see you in another video. Montage time.